My name is Камина Юлия Сергеевна. I would like to tell you about my native area, state Preobrazhenskaya.
I live in Volgograd region. The heart of our region is city Volgograd. It is one of the largest historical cities located in the southeast of the European part of Russia.
I am a teacher of English in Preobrazhenskaya school. So, first of all, we will start about our school.
Our school has a long history. The first school was opened in 1847. It began to learn 20 or 30 boys from Cossack families. Now our school has 580 pupils. Our museum has opened at 1988 year. People of our district found a lot of interesting collections to create expositions. It is one of our sightseeings. It is our church.
Наш храм был построен в 1871 году, рассчитан на 600 человек. Стоимость строительства храма обошлась в 125 тысяч рублей серебром. Храм закрывался в 20 веке, в 1937 году, и вновь был открыт в конце 1942 года. С тех пор храм больше не закрывался и действует до нашего времени.
Our district is a nice and picturesque place.